Situation here guys, yeah. Ito guys, mga nakapatong na tong mga gamit namin. Ano to mga, ang lalim niya, mga na to. 2 hollow blocks siguro. Ayun, yun yung nilat namin. Ayan, 2 hollow blocks na yun. Yan guys, Ayan. Baby Ara, praying that you won't experience this kind of, this kind of situation, this kind of life. Here's your mama. I prepared her a pancit canton because after she eats, I'll be going to buy some real food. Okay. You're 33 weeks, so you need we need more 7 weeks before Mommy Yo will give birth to you, Ara. Huh? Look, this is our bed, and this is our look. See? Oh, see? Yeah. Bye-bye, Mommy Yo. Mommy Yo is there enjoying a pancit canton. Hindi kami nakapamili, guys. Yes, tinola daw, sabi ni Mami Yo.